In the bustling streets of Kingston, Jamaica, justice has taken a decisive turn. Today, in the home circuit court, a verdict was delivered that will echo across the Caribbean's legal landscape. Police Constable Maitland has been found guilty of the murder of his girlfriend, Donnelly Donaldson, and of preventing the lawful burial of her body. Donnelly Donaldson was not just another missing person. At 24, she was a vibrant social media influencer, entrepreneur, and call center employee whose life was filled with promise. On July 12, 2022, she was last seen at the Chelsea Manor Apartments in St. Andrew, at the home of Maitland, her boyfriend at the time. Her sudden disappearance ignited public concern and a high-profile investigation. Law enforcement in court proceedings uncovered a trail of evidence that spanned months and included forensic analysis, witness testimonies, and digital records. Investigators found Donaldson's blood in Maitland's apartment, a critical piece of physical evidence that strengthened the prosecution's case. Over the months leading up to the verdict, more than 36 witnesses took the stand, recounting details that helped paint a fuller picture that pivotal July day in 2022. The trial, which began in May 2025, was a lengthy and closely watched affair. As proceedings unfolded, Maitland's defense sought to dismiss the charges and even made a no-case submission, efforts that were rejected by the presiding judge, Justice Leighton Pusey, affirming that there was sufficient evidence for a jury to consider. Throughout the trial, jurors were instructed to weigh evidence carefully and remain impartial, focusing on facts over emotion. They were reminded that Maitland, like every defendant, was presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, a cornerstone of Jamaica's justice system. Following weeks of testimony and deliberation, the 7-member jury reached its decision. Noel Maitland is guilty of murder and interfering with the lawful burial of Donnelly Donaldson's body. The verdict stands as a stark affirmation that no one, regardless of station, is above the law when credible evidence points toward guilt. This verdict resonates far beyond the courtroom walls. It shines a spotlight on the complexities of cases involving intimate partners, forensic evidence, and law enforcement officers. It also brings a measure of closure to a grieving family and a community that watched closely as this case unfolded over several years.